Hi, my name is Linguini, the ham person. Here, let me show you that. See, there's my chef hat. And let's have a side-by-side pic. So I lost my hair and I'm a ham person. But still, okay, whatever. But today, I am going to be baking something without Ratatouille on my side. Let's go. Okay, let's go. First, you need is some muddy water. Using the muddy water, you begin scooping. We're gonna be making like the new level of Ratatouille. Okay, we just get that all scooped up. Okay, and now that you got the mud ground beef, I'm a ham person, so let's put it in our mouths. Now we're going to take it down to the other room. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Now that we got our ground beef, now we got to grab the ground presser. Okay. And now use some clear water. Beach. Okay, we're looking good so far. Now, Linguini has to press it into shape. Okay, you got this, little chef. Whoa! Let all the extras fall and down into the other room. Thank you, Linguini hat. And now we have to beat it with a stick. And now we gotta use some of this. Okay, gotta open it. Oh, we kill it with fire. Okay, it's almost done. Now, we gotta use some cupullers. Kill it with fire. Again. Okay. And now that's pretty much it. That's our... I would call it the Ratatouille Muddy Hamburger. Let's sell it to the customer. Here you go, one hamburger muddy customer. Oh, thank you. I'm a customer. I'm Linguini. I'm a customer. I'm Linguini, okay, guys? I'm Linguini, muddy and stuff. I have a pimple on my head. I'm the customer. The clean one. Again. Is that leaves in my food? Yes, it also contains mud. It was fine, okay, guys? He's fine. Okay. I'm hoping everyone liked this video. Comment, subscribe, not subscribe, you guys, seriously, whatever, I'll make a video about it on the next topic, but don't forget to like and comment, and bye.